We were very lucky to find this old house on a big block in what we believe to be the best part of Denton Court, with a beautiful park and tennis courts right across this quiet suburban road. The plan was to subdivide the land and build our family home and our investment property. The only little issue was the non-regular shape of the block.
As a mortgage broker, I had some of my clients build their homes with HBC, and they had already told me all about their pleasant experience. HBC Homes took care of the entire process, from designing 2 beautiful and highly functional houses on a non-regular shaped block, and obtaining all the council approvals, to helping us with the selection through multiple in-person meetings while keeping the entire project within the initial quote.
We poured our foundations in November and we moved into our house in June. 2 custom homes built as a turnkey package at that time frame.
To say we were pleasantly surprised is an understatement.
If you are thinking of building your dream home and looking for a builder who can help you design and build high quality in a timely fashion and at a price that you know from day one, you have to meet with the friendly and highly professional team at HBC Homes.